Welcome back to Primetime News as we continue our look on Elsa's aftermath. Now, Clarendon was not initially on the forecaster's radar, but the impact of Tropical Storm Elsa was felt in several communities. Dwayne Anderson was in the parish and now reports.
The day after Tropical Storm Elsa, and Clarendon residents who were affected by flooding have started to clean up their properties. Some of those hardest hit live here in Spring Gardens. The beds and other furniture hoisted on blocks tell just half the tale.
When you look, it's like a sea. Fences, covers, water in house, all that.
The young man behind me, his name is Mario. He tells me they call him lucky in the community. But after the events of yesterday, he's not feeling very lucky. From around 6 o'clock this morning, he's been at it working, trying to get his life back together. Plates, furniture, and a lot of household items damaged in yesterday's flood rains.
In less than half hour, the houses around me, you see, were flooded out. Our neighbor have to be taking blocks from inside, going inside to rise furniture, beds, all these things.
The people of Spring Gardens say they want improvements to the drains. Over in the Money Musk housing scheme, residents made use of Monday's sunshine to dry their clothes and other possessions that had been soaked. The residents say they also lost poultry. We spotted one of the dozens of dead chickens the farmers say drowned in the flood. The Clarendon authorities in the meantime explained that only a few people had to leave their homes because of the weather system.
We had 4 people who were in shelters, but they are now gone back home. 2 of them left from Rest Primary School yesterday. They went back to their relatives' homes, and so the other 2 now are back home. We do have, however, 11 people we had to put into our drop-in center. Those are mostly homeless people from the town of Jamaica. We had to take them to the drop-in center, and so we had that shelter opened up. I haven't got...
Landslides and debris deposited by flood waters reduced sections of the Cockpit District Main Road to single-lane traffic. In the nearby Rasta Corner community, the road network was also disrupted.
Car, tire, flat, shut off, park here, so we have to help them. So we need assistance.
What do you think can correct that now? What do you need to fix it?
Well, they have to go lift the road. If I fly over a highway, go as far as they can do to the level. Fling over a bridge.
We also visited the construction site of the new highway on the outskirts of Maypen. We noticed that the Rio Minho had been channeled around the site to help protect the infrastructure. An estimate of the flood damage in Clarendon is not yet known. Teams have started their assessment as well as work to clear affected roadways. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.